Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, September 20th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the SPY. So, very impressive day as we ran some shorts out yesterday. Went out with a price probe, went out with a double distribution day. Very wide point of control up here above the day's high in the ES. But right now, with 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, we're trading below where we spiked from, right? We're in a lower distribution right now. So, again, SPY missed filling their gap by mere 20-somewhat cents. ES did. That's because of the dividend. So we're in balance right now on all three time frames with a day and a half prior to the Fed. So the question is, do we stay in this balance prior to tomorrow, or do we attempt to take out yesterday's high to go up on the daily? Or do we try to take out yesterday's low, which would be from balance back to down, and also then most likely take out last week's low, and then the outside week down would be in full effect. Again, these are all questions that need to be answered. I think odds are still good to either stay in balance or actually take out yesterday's high. And the reason for that is I think the market is still rather short. So I think if you do get any push up, you're going to start getting more short covering. And even if we pull back into yesterday, shorts might say, okay, we're still all right, but I'm going to start covering as we get closer to tomorrow's Fed decision. Again, just things to keep in mind. Overnight high as of right now is 389.81 in SPY. Overnight low is 386.31. ES is 36.50 high, 95.25 low. As far as a game plan, well, any acceptance back into the lower distribution, and for sure we're going to probably go trade at this 10 wide point of control. Okay? I would think that's pretty good odds if we get acceptance back into the lower distribution. Then we'll see if there's any defense of the afternoon pullback low. If there is, well, then maybe we'll stay inside yesterday's range for a while. If there's not, then we could come out of balance to the downside. So is it worth the short down to park at some point? If you get acceptance back into here, sure. On the flip side, in the next 75 minutes, if we open above C's high, you can take a long again against that, right? See if they defend, the buyers defend, the bulls defend, not getting into the lower distribution. Those are two early plays. If we open smack in the middle near the park, there's no play whatsoever. At that point, then again, if it was to pull back, you could long against F out below. You could short at C's high out above. All early plays. And then, just quickly on the chart, I'm leaving today probably for about an hour and a half midday, but I will be back. The weekly is still balanced until we take out last week's low. So we're going to see if the bulls defend that. If we do, outside week down takes effect. As far as the daily, it's a 2-day balance. So if we take out yesterday's high, the daily goes up. If we take out yesterday's low, we go back to bear. Right? Markets don't go bull bear. They went bull, balance, bear, balance. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.